Hey guys, so we have the Logitech BRIO 4K webcam and also a ring light. So I'm going to go show you how this is all done. Basically, you really don't need all this, but if you want to, you could. This is how I set up my web conferences as well as my live stream sometimes. But I use a Logitech BRIO 4K webcam for my live streams. And I also have a ring light, so I have nice, even lighting, I guess, for whether it's product photography or whatnot. So if you basically have a product, as you can see, it's nice even lighting. So you put it in front of this camera, as you can see, very cool even lighting to the hands and stuff like that, and also face. So this is typically what most people do if they're doing a live stream. They put side light on the side or right in front of it, but the camera is actually right like there. So here's a quick showcase of that. So you could use this for a webcam, or you could use this for a regular camera. Very interesting, very useful for a small little ring light. You can also use this if you don't have your webcam on the back of it, which is nice because it's like this. You could also have it as a light, so that you could light it from the side. Ring light also has a 1/4-inch mount, so you can actually mount it, and there's also a hot shoe. So usually put the camera right there. If you're using like this Logitech 4K BRIO webcam or other webcams, they do have a mount on it, like a monitor mount, which you could probably just hook onto it as well. Because you don't plan to remove this thing around, you could probably use this and mount it directly on here and hook it on for your broadcast. But of course, the best thing to do is actually just mount it on a ball mount or something else so that it's nice and stable and it's right in the center of this camera. Anyways, that's really about it. In order for the Logitech BRIO webcam, you can actually mount it on a 1/4 mount, like I said before. The mount for this, to take the BRIO's monitor stand off, is actually very simple. As you can see, there is 2 prongs there. You pull straight down. You just go ahead and wiggle it and pull it out. As you can see, there is a little tab spot there in terms of how it goes, so you don't need to unscrew this, which is logic of this is really messed up because you figure you got unscrewed something like a 1/4-inch mount, but it's actually just plugged in straight. So just wiggle it left to right and pull straight out. Anyways, that being said, monitor mount is actually pretty good intentions. It's basically a malleable metal mount that you could mode to almost most monitors and things, and it keeps it really steady. Only problem is that it actually has a plastic top on top, which is not exactly the best thing. She just gave us a screw mount and be done with that. Anyways, the BRIO camera itself is actually a very powerful webcam, very awesome webcam. I've been using this for over 2 or 3 years already, and it's been great. Anyways, but now let's put a ball mount onto this, or a 1/4-inch mount, so we can actually put in other mounts like on a tripod and everything else like that. So anyways, let's go ahead and do that and screw this on. Now that you mount it on a 1/4-inch mount, you could probably put it to any tripod almost, and let's go ahead and mount this one to a tripod. Why am I doing a double? Because, well, this tripod, this Coleman MT35, I can't really take this top part off. They probably glued it on, but it has mounts for a cell phone, so you can actually open this thing up and hold a cell phone under here, which I thought was pretty neat. Springiness on it, so you could just shove a cell phone there in case you want to shoot with a cell phone, or in case you want to shoot with a webcam. It's all pretty awesome. I like how they designed it. Also has a ball mount, and a rubber mat on there as well, so nothing moves. This ball mount is actually very good. They did a pretty good job, as well as this ball mount actually came from this light kit. This ring light kit actually came with this ball mount there. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold it and lock this back on. But now that you have this, you could just basically place it right next to it, and that's how I normally shoot or do my live streams or other stuff. I basically shoot like that. So this is an extremely sturdy tripod. That's why I like this tripod. These are one of those ones that grip, so you can just bend it and grip things. So you could hook this. I usually hook it on a pole so that it grips onto a pole and it doesn't really move, and that's what I want it to do. And then I could actually have this on different heights and stuff, whether it's for my cell phone or a webcam or of a lightweight camcorder. It actually works pretty well. The idea is this: have a ring light in front so that you can actually have a nice clean glow on the face. So very, very cool. So let's say you want to put something in front of it. Very clean, very nice look, and also very even lighting. So very, very cool. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'm SterlingW. I hope this was useful to you. And that's the Logitech BRIO, as well as this Coleman MT35, and also a ring light. This is a 10-inch ring light and stuff. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching.